private again. What's up, Discover New You family? I hope y'all are having a super fantastic day today. I hope you're making the most of it. And I hope that you had the best night's rest that you have had in a long time. If not, there's stuff we can do about those things, okay? Because we know, surprise, some of us will wake up with puffy eyes or dark circles, all of that. But that aside, I am greeting you from the healthiest of places. Um, and I am hoping that your heart is open and that you are ready to receive joy. Okay. So today, I did talk to you last week about the facial peel that I did. Oh my God, my face is still looking great. I mean, just feeling gorgeous. Just feeling gorgeous, feeling myself. I had a great weekend. Everything was copacetic. I was walking in my joy, in God's favor, and looking good and feeling like His best daughter ever. There's no condemnation for those who are in Christ. So there ain't no reason you should be out here not living your best life, not looking for the most positive spin on life there is. Okay, I mean, Jesus died for you to have life and life more abundantly. Do you know anybody else that would die for your joy? Listen, He's got my vote all day, every day. So I am just blessed to be able to share with you the things that we have been sharing. And I want you to go ahead and try this chemical peel. It is everything. Oh my gosh. Mary Kay's Revealing Radiance Facial Peel. It is, listen, listen. If you are somebody that is great with the deep clean and you're into skincare and like yourself to look naturally pretty, I always say get a great canvas going and then you can, paint it up and do all this extra stuff and wash it well, okay? So I hope that you're having a fantastic, fantastic week. I just wanted to stop by, sneak some joy in there for you, probably put a smile on your face, and remind you to be up on your skincare. God bless you. Have a great day. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Much love.
Discover a new you at marykay.com/discoveryou100.